I'm a student of corporate law, and my instructor was Sir Nushab Ali Khan. Okay, initially when I was enrolling for law, everybody was like that law is a very dry subject, and you won't enjoy it, and it's very difficult. It has a lot of jargon, so you're gonna end up getting a very bad grade. But when initially the classes started, I was like, a bit nervous that maybe I wouldn't be able to catch up with this course. But the way Senator Shah Ali Khan taught us so thoroughly, so in depth, he is an excellent teacher. And he is a practicing lawyer himself, so he has that practical knowledge about everything. He explained even a definition, in so depth, giving us real life practical examples that we were able to understand everything. And his sessions were really interactive. He used to after explaining certain clauses, he used to pause for a little while and he used to ask us that whether we are understanding each and everything, and if we have any feedback or input, and if we have any confusion, or if we would like to give any opinion or anything. So he used to motivate us to contribute our feedback and to express our ideas, which actually helped us a lot, since some students are really shy and very hesitant like me. So I was able to I was the way he motivated me was like I was able to express myself very freely. Okay, so one thing I really liked about Sir Nushab Ali Khan, like in my entire journey of my life, in my O levels and then A levels and now in university, nobody ever call their students with so much respect the way Sir Nushab Ali Khan used to call us Mr. Razaur Rahman, Miss Afshan Sarfaraz. The way he used to give us so much respect, and he used to give us even to our feedback. He used to value our feedback, and he used to he used to respect us so much that being such a senior instructor and such a good lawyer, and still having so much respect for their students and their point of view, their ideas. This is something that I really respect about him, and I would recommend each and every one of you to actually take this course.
Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Minail Ameh, and I have been a student of the Corporate Law and Governance course, which was taught by Sir Nushab. It was a pleasure being taught by him, since he made this course so easy and informative for us that we didn't feel that we were studying law. And talking about the course and its content, we basically talked about different companies and how they are formed. We also studied about how directors are nominated and their rules, and the rules that they have to follow, and their duties and responsibilities towards the organization. We also learned what a corporate whale is and the reasons it can be lifted. And for all the students who are thinking about joining this course, I would like to say that as a student of corporate law and governance, I really like this course, and sir has been an extraordinary teacher and he has helped us a lot. He was very cooperative with us, and I think you should all join this course and have a lot of fun.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Kamran Shakit from Beacon House National University. I've studied corporate law and governance from Sir Nushab Ali Khan. Basically, this course teaches about the fundamentals of the company's law, the legal and non-legal governance mechanisms of the company, which encourages their directors to perform best in their company's interest, beginning with the company's law, then the regulations and the governance of the companies. Now, after studying this course from Sir Nushab Ali Khan, as he's an extraordinary teacher and a professional lawyer himself, he taught us the Companies Act and corporate regulations, while quoting the examples from the relevant field. What my key takeaways were: the in-depth knowledge about the corporate laws, the rights and duties of the corporations, what should and should not a director do in the company, and what all legal aspects of the companies.
My name is Aisha Zafar, and I'm a student of corporate law studying this course with Sir Nushab Ali Khan. So in this course we have studied various aspects of the Companies Act 2017, and initially we started off with the historical background of the company's laws, and then we studied the kinds of companies, the management of the companies, appointment of directors, and lastly, recently we have studied the code of corporate governance, which includes the composition of the board of the companies and its committees. So overall, I would say that it was a well-structured course and it was very well taught by Sir Noshab Ali Khan, and he has been very cooperative with all the students, and he made sure that the students were actually learning the course. And I think it would be such a challenge for teachers to make sure that the students were learning, because the mode of the course was online, of course. So we actually got to learn a lot, and initially I thought it would be such a hard course, but it didn't really prove to be a hard course because it was taught very well. So it was such a great pleasure to have a course and to be taught by Sir Noshab Ali Khan. And one thing that I loved about this course was that I got to learn a lot of vocabulary, and Sir was always there. Sir, like, he is always there to, to introduce new terminologies to students and describe the meanings, synonyms and antonyms. So it was very interesting for me, and I really enjoyed studying this course.